What you're looking at right now is a water filtration station. This is one of the Kariba water filtration pumps. That is the inlet where water from the Zambezi River comes in. It goes into this big pool like structures. Those are the filters. At the bottom of those filters is sand and there are rocks that filter the water. That is the same water people end up drinking and is distributed. Right now, what you're looking at is what is called the tower. So, what happens here is it is an extraction point where the Kariba Council, what do you call it, pumps water from the river to one of its filtration stations to later be purified and distributed to the community. So what you're looking at right now is an extraction tower. And all those pipes you see down there on the sand, they are extracting water from the dam. Well, should I call it dam or river, whatever, from the Kariba River or Kariba Dam. Sorry. Right. You see me, right? Now you might be wondering why I'm talking about water purification, extraction, and what. Guys, I'm a student at Midland State and currently in my third year of my degree, which means I'm doing my attachment. Guys, attachment in Zimbabwe. Looking for a job in Zimbabwe is literally difficult. Jaguti, I only ended up finding my attachment 2 months after searching. We're talking about after applying, sending 237 emails to different companies and writing letters to different companies. So what you see here is what is called Weezer's workstation. This is where I spend most of my time as a biotechnology student. What happens is it's one of the other filtration stations, like the one that I showed you in the beginning of the video. But this one works a little bit different. The filtration system here is different from the other one that you were seeing. This one has what is called as a filtromatic. It is an automated backwashing system. Backwashing is the process where the dirty water is just being changed and spills out and goes back to the Zambezi. That's what happens during the backwashing system. So this is a video of me showing you my workplace. This is where I have been hiding in the past few weeks for those who have been looking for me, because some I just left. Guys, when they told me you've gotten the job, I just packed my bags and left. I had no time to tell my friends where I was going. I didn't tell anyone. And now it's difficult for me to hide and tell everyone that your girl is hiding and burning in Kariba. So I decided to use this video to tell my people where I am. Hey guys, stop looking, I've been found, I'm in Kariba. So I'm on attachment. So what I've learned so much about the water filtration, cleaning, purification process. And one of the main facts I learned is that Kariba is one of the towns with the cleanest water in Zimbabwe. Naturally, this water is cleaner than other towns, so they don't undergo some of the water purification processes that other cities go through, like sedimentation, coagulation. They bypass those stages because the water doesn't have any floating debris in it. They extract it from the metaliminon, I think that's how you pronounce it, layer, which is the middle layer of the water. It has enough oxygen for it to be useful.
It smells like what?
It's so fine. You see your girl in our lab. It's not that big, guys, but a lot happens in here. This lab is where we test not only what is now the pumps. This pumps can purify the water before the water is now clean. Those pumps are running simple barriers, reservoirs, explaining how this work, but then I'm muting that and you can listen to my voiceover. So that's just me, your girl, showing off the knowledge she has acquired thus far about these pumps right here. So a little more about working in this department is, it's fun, guys. I got to walk around the community wearing a lab coat, collecting water samples and testing them at the site, looking all fancy when you're testing for your pH and your chlorine sample and the turbidity levels, bringing out these gadgets, and people are looking at you and they're like, and they're like, avan vekanzuru ndo vanotesta kuti mvura yedu iri safe kuti timwe here kuti ine utano here. Zvinotipisa, guys. Unenge uchifila successful uchionekwa navanhu vemucommunity wakapfeka kalab coat paya wakatobata chispectrophotometer wotoonoti unenge uchifila successful. You feel like you've done it in life. Anyway, so this is where I'm working, the business water station. So in the lab that you saw, we carry out various water tests like Majar tests. We also carry out bacteriological analysis. That is when we culture the bacteria in the water. This is a break, guys. So imagine, you see where we are. This is B24 in Kariba. We were trying out their ice cream. Guys, there is only one fast food outlet in the whole of Kariba. There's only one fast food outlet in the whole of Kariba. Another thing I mentioned in one of my videos is Kariba is a jungle, guys. You see that elephant? And you see that poster, it says Use It Campus. That's the University of Zimbabwe campus here in Research Campus. You see those zebras? You've seen an elephant, you've seen zebras. They're also baboons. Guys, they're also hippopotamus. They're also lions. Those animals are not in any game park. They are not restricted. You're just walking on the road, minding your own business. You run into an elephant. Driving along, going to work, run into an elephant. You see, that's the campus of the University of Zimbabwe, as I was telling you, here in Kariba. That is where the elephant is lackadaisically just walking by. This is the tower, the extraction tower I showed you at the beginning of the video. Look at those hippopotamus. Hey, anomanyisa, guys. Musadonyeperwe mvuu dzinokumhanyisa. Unoti they are fast. Muchizvona zvakapfupika kudai zvinomhanyisa zvinhu izvozvo.